Doran Manufacturing. Our drive keeps you moving. Take control of your agriculture tire performance with Doran 360AG tire monitoring systems. Maintaining proper tire inflation pressure helps farmers increase yield by minimizing soil compaction, improve profitability with reduced fuel consumption and prolonged tire life, and perform field operations in less time. Doran 360AG tire monitoring systems utilize external valve stem mounted tire pressure sensors specifically designed for agriculture tires and provide real-time accurate digital tire pressure information including critical low pressure and rapid deflation alerts in cab. Throughout the year, a tractor will connect to many different types of equipment from various manufacturers. Utilizing SmartLink technology, Doran 360AG TPMS allows farmers to monitor tractor tires at all times, and when connected, tires for grain carts, slurry tanks, manure spreaders, and tillage implements. Two versions of 360AG tire sensors are available: standard bore, and when liquids aren't used inside the tire, a large bore version with patented seal design. Each sensor is accurate to plus or minus 1 psi, and proven to withstand the extreme conditions farmers face day in and day out. To learn more about how Doran 360AG TPMS can help increase field productivity and improve your profitability, please call 866-816-7233 or visit us online at doranmfg.com.